This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 30 FE is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crevel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 32 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, oven, slide-out, TV, self-contained, LP detector, microwave, smoke detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C RV features bunk beds, bunk over cab, mid-bunk. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 30 FE is built on a Ford E-Series chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crevel's RV.